And we have your name po and what are you thankful for, Miss Lee?
Thankful. Saan ka thankful, Ate Beth? Nakagraduate ka.
Yes!
Yay!
Sa pinag-aralan na nursing assistant at caregiving.
Wow! Yay!
Yung work na pinag-pray ko kay Lord na strength. Nakalipat po ako ng trabaho na
Yes!
Thank
Yay!
you!
Beth. Beth.
Alright.
Si Ate Sheila.
Congratulations for successfully finishing and graduating.
Ate Sheila.
Go, Sheila, go!
Go, Sheila.
Sisigaw naman yan. Para sa kanila. Go, Sheila, go! Alright.
Habang
Ang
wala
Sheila,
siya,
alright.
go,
Ating
Sheila,
second
go.
year Sheila, alam mo po. Grabe ating Sheila.
Auntie Sheila, what are you thankful for? Nasiya ka na.
Healing.
Marami.
Healing.
Especially the healing.
Yay!
For the UAE, for the medical, all the medical expenses. Wow.
Alright, Ate Sheila, nakapila na po ang mga shampoo companies offering. Ano, talaga naman, ang haba na yan ate, nakaka-excite ate. And we're also celebrating